It's me, Teacher Gon. In our today's video, we will talk about how to calculate for the mode of group data. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So basically, guys, mode is one of the measures of central tendency. One of the ways on how to calculate for the average or the measures of central tendency. And right now, focus natin is on how to calculate for the mode of group data. So as you can see, we have here the same problem na sinolve natin with regards to the median of group data. And we will try to calculate for the mode of this given data. So the formula for the mode is this one. Mode is equal to LB sub MO. This is the lower boundary of your modal class plus D sub 1 over D sub 1 plus D sub 2 times I as your interval. Later on, I will explain how to get the elements or the variables in this formula. So what is the first thing you need to do in calculating for the mode of a group data? First, you need to identify your modal class. Yes, sir, here's the question. How can we identify the modal class? To identify your modal class, all you need to do is to find the class with the highest frequency. Again, find the class. Here's your classes. And here's the frequencies. Find the class with the highest frequencies. And as you can see, we have here 9, 7, 12, 14, and 8. And all you need to do is to choose 14 because this one is the greatest or this one is the highest frequency. And therefore, if 14 is your highest frequency, this class is your modal class. It is important for us to identify the modal class because it will dictate the value of these elements. First, we have the lower boundary of the modal class. For you to find the lower boundary of your modal class, what you need to do is focus on your modal class. We have 11 to 20, wherein punta ka sa lower limit, which is 11. That is 11 minus 0.5. So the lower boundary of your modal class is simply 10.5. Again, simply subtract to the lower limit, which is 11, subtract it by 0.5, and that is 10.5. So let's move on with D sub 1 and D sub 2. To find the value of D sub 1, all you need to do is to subtract the frequency of your modal class, which is 14, by the frequency of the next lower class. Again, to find D1, get the frequency of your modal class, and then subtract it by the frequency of the next lower class, which is 8. So this is 14 minus 8, and that will give you the answer of 6. And for D sub 2, your D sub 2 is the difference between the frequency of your modal class and the frequency of the next upper class. The upper class is 20 to 30 and the frequency is 12. So this is 14 minus 12, and that will give you 2. And lastly, for the interval, which is I, all you need to do is to get the interval of these classes. Lahat naman sila pare-parehas. So let's try having the interval. Let's try having the lowest class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, the interval is equal to 10. And we have completed the different variables we needed in this formula. So using the formula, you have the mode is equal to the lower boundary of your modal class, which is 10.5, plus your D sub 1, which is 6, over D sub 1 plus D sub 2, which is 6 plus 2, times your interval, which is 10. So by the way, guys, you can use your calculator for you to easily calculate for the mode. You can directly substitute this or you input this in your calculator. So you have 10.5 plus 6 over 8 times 10. Using PEMDAS, we need to multiply 6 by 10. So it is 10.5 plus 60 over 8. And I will be using my calculator and I will divide 60 by 8. So that is 60 divided by 8. And that will give us 7.5. So this is 10.5 plus 7.5. And if you add this, your mode is equal to 18. This is the mode of the given dataset na meron tayo. Now, to check whether your answer is correct, look, your mode is 18 and go back to your modal class. Ibig sabihin yan, you can find the value of your mode within this class. As you can see, 18 is inside 11 to 20. So, that is another way on how to check whether your answer is correct. But still, for you to secure whether your answer is correct, you need to follow the direction, the step-by-step process on how to calculate for the mode. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at i-hit na rin yung bell button for you to be updated sa ating latest uploads. Again, I am Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!